Today I'm making toasted tongues. We're tackling some more meringue in today's recipe from this Gross Grub cookbook. These little lickers, as the book calls them, come together so quickly. You can turn on subtitles by pressing the CC button or check out the full list of ingredients in the video description. I'm having the recipe because this already looks like it'll be way more than 2 grown adults can eat. So I'm going to use 3 egg whites, half a cup of sugar, some red gel food coloring, and the recipe says to use pink or red cake crystals, but I thought white sprinkles might look a little more realistic. To start off, I'm going to add the egg whites into the bowl of my mixer and beat until stiff. Now slowly add in the sugar and continue beating till stiff and shiny. Add in a drop or 2 of red food coloring and beat to distribute evenly, just until the meringue is uniformly pink. Now onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, I'm going to spoon about 3 tablespoons of the mixture in a somewhat tongue-like shape. This meringue was really sticky. I found it easier to use a spatula to get it off the spoon, and then spread it into more of a tongue shape. Next, add a popsicle stick in the middle, add another 3 tablespoons, and try to sculpt and smooth it into a tongue, using a toothpick to draw a line down the center. Finish them off with a light sprinkling of taste buds or sprinkles, and bake them on the low rack of a 200-degree oven for about 3 hours, or until the tongues are completely dried to the touch. Once they've completely cooled, we can gently peel them off the parchment paper. They're so light. Besides that Chrono Gold Meat Loaf a couple weeks ago, I don't think I've ever made or had meringue. Pretty cool. While the cooking time may be long, these couldn't be easier to make. Let's give them a try. Oh, what's that taste like? This reminds me of cotton candy. It's super light and just melts in your mouth. And that crunch is super satisfying too. Give these a try for Halloween. Share a picture on Instagram and tag me at Maikoh with 4 H's. I'd love to see how they turn out. If you liked watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to watch another video, you can click the card over on the right. I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please consider subscribing. I'd love to have you around, and I hope to see you all next Thursday. Thanks for watching.